which vegetable makes the best dye? Well, I know I was, and that's what got me curious to do my project on this. Basically what we did is we took beets, onions, and cabbage, and we cut them all up, and we boiled them, and it was really interesting to see the pretty colors that they turned. We then dipped 100% cotton strips, 3 in each container or pot, and the beets and cabbage, as you can see, they made really pretty dyes. But the onions, on the other hand, have like a weird color, they're quite dull. But preceding my experiment, I did some research to help me realize the advantages and disadvantages to using natural dyes. One of the greatest disadvantages is they wash out really easily. As you can see, we let these sit for 10 days, and then we washed them under cold water. And as you can see, the beets, it rinsed out almost completely. And the cabbage, medium, and the onions actually didn't rinse out at all. So they became the vegetable that made the best dye, because when I was researching, I figured out that there were 2 key things in making a good dye. One was permanence, which is how well the dye stays in the fabric, and the second is intensity, which is how dark the fabric is. So the onions, I figured out were the best dye, and I decided as a side project to make a bag out of the best dye, which was the onions. And it kind of came out like a tan color, and then I decorated it with like a button and blue. So I'm gonna pass that around. That's really good. And then also have like it's like a book with all the pictures in it, and just about my whole experiment. So I look forward to maybe in the spring dyeing some more things with like different colors, because we'll have